What's up everybody? In this video we will learn how to play a game on Roblox. Follow and watch this video till the end. You need to open your Roblox first. So after opening your Roblox, it's going to take you here to this homepage. So here you can find any game that is included on Roblox. So after changing your avatar, right now let's play a game. For example, this is recommended for you. We will play this game. We will just click on it, and what we have to do, we have to click here. Then it's joining server, as you see, and right now it's taking me to the game. And right now I can't play, guys. For me, I don't want it to play, so it's very simple right now. Just click OK and you can play, guys, as you can see. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.